Hydroponic Bonsai, your fuss-free tabletop plant buddy. Hydroponic is a soil-free method of growing plants, which reduces the mess that soil has, as well as soil pests. Maintenance is reduced to refilling the water periodically when water levels reach 1/3 of the container. Fertilization, pruning, and/or trimming is not necessary to keep the plant compact. When it comes to light requirements, these little plants are not picky. Just remember to place your bonsai near a bright window once a week for that little sunshine magic. These plants also tend to stay relatively small, reducing the space they require to grow and allowing them to be kept as a tabletop plant for a long period of time. Never feel bored or lonely at work ever again with your very own hydroponics bonsai, a living bottle of happiness. We hope you learn more about hydroponics and how it works. Thank you for watching. Happy planting!